Tere jälle! Hi again! In the last video, we learned when do we use the two infinitives in Estonian. Today we will talk about the form of the da infinitive. You already know that when learning a new verb, you should learn the ma infinitive and the conjugational form of the verb. Actually, you should also learn the da infinitive, as the da infinitive cannot be derived from any other form and is just a separate form of the verb. The good thing is that, as you can see in the example, very often the da form is just like the ma form, with the only difference that it does not end with ma, but with da. For example, küsima, küsida, to ask, töötama, töötada, to work, ujuma, ujuda, to swim. Quite often the da form ends with ta. Maksma, maksta, to pay, puhkama, puhata, to rest, vaatama, vaadata, to watch. Sometimes you can also see a small change in the stem. Then there are about 15 verbs whose da form is visibly different from the ma infinitive. Let's see some of the most important ones. Olema, olla, to be. Tulema, tulla, to come. Tegema, teha, to do. Nägema, näha, to see. Minema, minna, to go. Sööma, süüa, to eat. Jooma, juua, to drink. So now you're familiar with the three forms of Estonian verbs: the ma infinitive, the conjugational form, and the da infinitive. The good thing is that these are all the forms you need for your everyday language, because all the other tenses and modes are derived from these three forms. So besides using these three forms whenever you need to use them, they also serve to build other verbal constructions. On our website, you can also find some language games on the two infinitives. Just go to the game platform and choose a game you want to play. And it's all free, of course. I hope it will help you to learn Estonian. Aitäh!